Hey guys, we're on a trail called Bristlecone Loop, and we're just out here hiking along. Just came through a really cool aspen grove that hasn't even started to leaf yet. It's supposed to be 95 degrees today in Vegas. And where we are right now, as you can see, it's perfectly sunny, no winds, beautiful. It's about 60 degrees here. I'm huffing and puffing because I think we're pretty close to like 9,000 feet on this trail. Here, I'll lift it up. You'll see there's Connie back there. So we're just moving up this trail. Thought I'd let you guys see it, see what we got going on. I'm gonna turn the camera around here for a second so you can see it. It's a beautiful place. If you had smell-o-vision, you could smell the grapevine smell. It's awesome. So anyway, how cool is that to get such a fun place out here less than an hour from Vegas? We're out here where it's quiet, you can hear the birds, and it's just plain amazing. So I'll share some more with you as we go along. Okay, we're still climbing here, and I think we're getting fairly close to tree line. As we move through, it's getting more and more sparse in trees. I think we're reaching elevation where the trees just aren't going to be as thick or very many. So kind of fun. As you can see, turn the phone around, some amazing views. Sorry for the shaky video. As I'm walking, carrying the phone, I didn't bring any fancy camera or anything, but hopefully you are seeing the fun stuff that we're seeing here. Check this out. Needless to say, I'm in my element, having a blast. Talk to you soon. Hey guys, I made a real steep ascent here. Get to the very highest peak on this thing, and I thought I would show you this. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and give you a 360. How cool is that? I mean, really, how cool is that? Hope you guys are having a great day of training, and I will probably get some more pictures as we go along.